So in this Neo Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to earn $10 from affiliate marketing on Neo Financial. So once the Neo Financial app is opened up, I want you to go to the top right and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page, go to where it says refer a friend or refer friends and earn. Then on this page where it says earn $10 when a friend opens up a Neo checking account and deposits, you want to go ahead and read more about that. So basically, through this affiliate marketing program, you get $10, they get $10 from every successful referral. All you have to do is go to the bottom here, press on share, then you can go ahead and copy the link and send it to people. And basically, if they sign up and open up an eligible Neo checking account and deposit $50, you of course have to read the terms and conditions as well, then you guys both get $10 in the process. So it's sort of a win-win there. So if you want to learn more about what it looks like right here, there's a bunch of different options right here. You can go to accounts right here. You can scroll down to where it says accounts, press on get accounts, and then the top one is the Neo checking account. If you were to go ahead and press on that, you can go ahead, read more about it, the fees, the balance, etc. And you can kind of add an account this way. And if they do this exact thing, deposit $50, you can get $10 through affiliate marketing. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to earn $10 affiliate marketing on Neo Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.